The 2018 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, climate control, universal garage door opener, front-wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.